Hi, today we will be reviewing the Dodocool wireless stereo speaker. Inside the box you will find one speaker, one manual, one warranty card, one USB cable and one rubber strap. The product feels solid and durable and made with quality materials. Let's power on the device now. Connect to it via Bluetooth. Play music by connecting via Bluetooth using SD card or by the AUX cable. Overall, for about $30, you can get this speaker and use it anywhere you want with its powerful 1200 mAh battery for long playback hours.